Hello, viewers. How are you? I hope you are all good. Welcome back to Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different modern kitchen storage ideas to decorate your kitchen with latest living standard styles. Here are some inspiring benefits of modern smart kitchen storage ideas. Efficient space utilization. Modern smart kitchen storage solutions make the most of every inch of space available in your kitchen. By utilizing smart cabinets, pull out shelves, and innovative storage systems, you can maximize storage capacity and keep your kitchen organized. Streamlined organization. Smart storage ideas bring a sense of order and organization to your kitchen with design space for utensils, cookware, and pantry items. Everything has its place, making it easy to find what you need quickly and reducing clutter on countertops. Time saving convenience. Smart kitchen storage ideas enhance convenience in your daily routine with features like automated pull out shelves, motorized cabinet systems, and hands free operations. You can access and retrieve items effortlessly, saving your time and effort in the kitchen. Enhance accessibility. Modern smart storage designs focus on improving accessibility, ensuring that items are within reach when you need them. Pull out drawers, rotating shelves, and adjustable racks allows you to access items at the back of cabinets without hassle, making cooking and meal preparation more efficient. Personalized customization. Smart storage solutions offer flexibility and customization options. You can configure the storage system according to your specific need, adjusting shelf heights, adding dividers, and utilizing modular components to create a personalized and tailored kitchen storage setup. Smart technology integration. Modern smart kitchen storage ideas often incorporate technology into their design, from sensor activated lights in the cabinets to smart home integration for voice commands or app controlled organization. These features make your kitchen more technologically advanced and user friendly. Modern aesthetics. Smart kitchen storage solutions cabinet functionality with sleek and modern designs. Clean lines, minimalistic style, and innovative materials contribute to an aesthetically pleasing kitchen, creating a visually appealing and contemporary space. Space optimization. By utilizing vertical storage, compact organizer, and hidden storage compartments, smart kitchen storage ideas optimize space in small kitchens or apartments. This allows you to make the most of limited square footage and create a functional cooking area. Sustainable practices. Many smart storage solutions focus on sustainable by utilizing eco-friendly materials, energy efficient features, and waste reduction strategies. These eco-conscious designs promote sustainable practices and contribute to a greener kitchen environment. Stress-free cooking experience. With everything organized and easily accessible, smart kitchen storage ideas create a stress-free cooking experiences. You can focus on the joy of cooking and entertaining without the frustration of searching for ingredients or dealing with cluttered countertops. These inspiring benefits highlight the advantages of incorporating modern smart kitchen storage ideas into your kitchen. They bring efficiency, convenience, and a touch of technology to transform your cooking space into a functional, organized, and aesthetically pleasing environment. Join the creative journey with me and let's explore the world of art and design together. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.